Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am going to present my community service team result with the title of Design Numerical Simulation and Development of Drawing Knife Equipment for Implementation in the Pisaumu, Yogyakarta Community. Members and Program Scheme. Team Leaders: Insinyur Dinasa Agistya Anugrah SPDMM, Department of Automotive Engineering Technology UMY. Team Member: Cahyo Setiadi Ramadan M SPSI MPSI PSI, Department of Islamic Broadcasting Communication UMY. Dr. Agus Widianto SPDMT, Department of Mechanical and Automotive Engineering UNY. Student of Department of Automotive Engineering Technology UMY: Rino Riansika, Fajar Yuafik, Rozi Hartono. Program Scheme: Community Service Regular PKM Scheme. Introduction. Number 1. Background. Adequate facilities and equipment are essential for sport and meet the intensive need of a sport program. Sport facilities are sporting resorts consisting of sport venues and all types of equipment and supplies used in sport activities. Complete sport facilities will support the sport community to achieve more. In addition to the need for sufficient equipment, there's also a need to develop effective design for knife and axe used in throwing sport. Design is carried out by considering several criteria, such as a design form, the fact that the throwing knife must be comfortable, simple, and easy to operate, consistent with the throwing technique. Apart from design, choosing the right material for the knife is a very important thing to do before carrying out the knife production process. Objective of the research: developing knife design through numerical simulation to obtain better throwing knife, and the use it as reference data in the manufacturing the knife. Target and scope of the research: equivalent stress data of throwing knife to predict whether a material will begin to deform, such as yielding, based on a single stress, even when the stress acts in multiple directions. Safety factor: to know the ratio between the maximum strength of a material or structure and the expected working load of the maximum load that is expected to receive. It indicates how robust a system or a component is built above what is required for normal use, taking into account factors such as uncertainties in load, material properties, and environmental conditions. Methodology: research, apport, and design. Design of throwing knife with stainless steel material. Target board design and knife staking out. Number 2. Data gathering technique. Throwing knife nodes with tetrahedron element type will target board nodes with hexahedron element type. Both sizing 10 mm, number of nodes is 60,848, and element is 30,256. Number 3. Data of analysis. Focus on equivalent stress and safety factor. Findings: equivalent stress result maximum at 132 MPa. Safety factor result 1.5682. Conclusion: the result of numerical simulation of throwing knife with ANSI fluent 2024 R1 are equivalent stress with maximum values of 132 MPa and safety factor of 1.5682. This indicates that the throwing knife is safe to use because it is still within the permissible deformation limits and the safety factor is greater than 1. Is necessary to smooth the middle part of the blade where there is a protruding part that resembles a winch is used only for aesthetic but actually makes deformation at that point higher because of the higher stress. Program documentation. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.